Hey everyone! Do hemorrhoids have you in pain and discomfort? I totally understand. Dealing with the symptoms of hemorrhoids like burning, itching, and bleeding can really disrupt your daily life. But don't worry, I've got some simple yet effective home remedies that can help bring relief fast. In today's video, I'll be sharing my top home remedies for piles that will have you feeling better in no time. The home remedies I'll be covering today include sitz baths. This involves soaking the area around your anus in a few inches of warm water for 10 to 15 minutes at a time, a few times per day. The heat helps relax the anal sphincter muscles, which can help relieve spasms and reduce swelling. Make sure the water isn't too hot to prevent scalding sensitive tissues. Adding Epsom or sea salts to the bath water can provide further anti-inflammatory effects. Ice packs. Wrap some ice cubes or a gel pack in a washcloth or towel and apply to the external hemorrhoids for 5 to 10 minutes at a time, a few times per day. The cold causes reduced blood flow to the area, shrinking the inflamed blood vessels and nerves that cause pain and itching. Make sure not to apply ice directly to skin. Alternating with a warm compress is also very soothing. Aloe vera. Break off a leaf of an aloe plant and squeeze out the gel inside. Apply a thin layer of gel directly to the hemorrhoids. Aloe contains enzymes and compounds that reduce inflammation, ease burning sensations, and speed healing of damaged tissues. Reapply the aloe several times per day for maximum benefits. Witch hazel. Soak a cotton pad, cotton ball or some toilet paper with undistorted witch hazel. Apply it gently to the surface of the hemorrhoids for a few minutes to relieve itching, pain, and swelling. Witch hazel contains tannins and oils that help constrict blood vessels, while its antioxidants promote healing. Reapply 2 to 3 times per day. Apple cider vinegar. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar into a glass of water and drink once per day. You can also soak a cotton ball with diluted ACV and apply it directly to protruding hemorrhoids a few times per day. The acetic acid helps reduce swelling while providing antibacterial relief. I hope you found these natural home remedies helpful. Let me know in the comments if you try any of them for your own hemorrhoid relief, and of course, subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching.